So type in ura.go.uganda. Login. This is the URA portal. So you log in, click the plus sign. In this tutorial, we are learning how to file for pay as you earn. Under e-services, go to e-returns. Under original, go down up to pay as you earn, which is payee. On it. Download template for payee. You download the template. Open with or save, whichever you prefer. Enable, well, let's first save before we enable macros. The file has to be saved by all means. Okay. So after saving, enable macros by clicking on options. Enable this content and click OK. So you have to see the word, please do not cut and paste any values in this sheet. Click OK. It takes you back to the start where you have to fill in our template. In the date, that is return period from, return period for, go to the next section, that section. So payee form, section A, details of employer status, an individual, details, any section that has no red stars, it's okay to leave it unfilled unless you prefer to fill it. Type of employment, this is others. The name of bank, bank of branch, account number. You could fill in all that information if you so wish to. Now we are going to the next section. Section 1. So this, as we fill in the information, this will also, the summary sheet will be filled in after filling the information. Tin of employer, tin of employee. The tin of employee. This is the sheet for pay as you earn, or the template for payee. So we'll have 1, 5, 1, with 100, 3. The rest don't have tins. Name of employer, this is okay, these are names of employees, okay, of the company. period of which employed of period for which employed during the year of income. So this is for the month of May, and we are filling in the month of May, date from to date to. So this is first. Salary. Housing allowance, they don't have any housing allowance. So in case you have any of this, feel free to fill them in. Housing allowance, transport, medical leave, they don't have any. Remember, this is these are wages. So overtime, in case there is overtime, you've worked overtime, you fill it right there. Other allowances, housing, motor vehicle, domestic services, you fill them in. Other values of benefits, you fill them in case you have any. Allowable deductions, specify AG local service, you fill them in all in case you have any. Does employee lie or does employee fall under a fixed tax rate of 30%? Definitely no. During COVID-19 and some of the allowances have been cut down or none at all. So yes, if yes, well, rather select yes if non-resident. So they are residents, so we select no. So this is the tax on chargeable income. So this is the VAT, the pay that's supposed to be deducted. These ones who are below, any. Proceed. If we're done with this part, Schedule 2, details of payment of tax to the Revenue Authority. So pay deducted, amount of tax, check number or other instrument number, payment registration, bank and payment date. So if you've made any payments, this is where they go, but it's mandatory to be filled in. So if you want to upload this separately, this is tin of employee, the name of employee, employment start date, employment end date, employment income during the year of next. So this will validate from here. This is a sheet for annual irregular bonus lump sum payments where always mandatory to fill them in. You fill in what you need to fill in and then get out of this template. Res, it, save template. Okay. So we go back to the photo. download the template. The next step is return period. Which the letters are case sensitive, so you have to be careful. And 8. Browse. Submit. It has no errors. Let's go ahead and submit it over. Yeah, no errors. Submit. Here we go. This is our acknowledgement receipt, and then the print form is right here. This is our print form for this last one. Like I say, those are the employees who are filled in. Now let's go ahead and register. Type. This is the domestic tax. For tax type, we have payee. Payee is a type of income tax, so it is under this section. Under domestic tax. Tax head, we have got payee. Like a reference number, you refer to the printed forms, the ones I showed you earlier. So whichever bank you prefer is where you pay, or whichever is easier for you, whether online payment, payment transfer, other payments, whichever you prefer is where you pay the letters. A, H, D is W, I hope it's small. So this is the payment receipt for payee. You take it to the bank and then you're cleared of your tax liability. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.